I'm reviewing switches and infrastructure in the sites. So it allows us to connect all of those government departments and the multiple business units that they have. Also, we use these appliances in data centers, either in the data center, the space of the customer or our own on premises. So native cloud environment, we're also placing some of those devices up there. So I think one of the important part is the catalyst, which I recommend that would have quite a lot of flexibility. It gives you traffic segregation very easily. It gives command and control and management smoothly. In relation to the other devices like Merapis and some kind of management through the cloud, that also a great feature because eventually we're moving towards the cloud and everything needs to be managed through cloud. So one of the things that I would like to see is in the Marathi space. The Marathi is a little behind compared to Catalyst is because Marathi provides weak traffic segregation. That's one of the I think pain point that we are facing right now. But overall, we say that Marathi comparatively cheaper than the Catalyst, so there could be one of that advantage in this or advantage in that. I would say I would go up to 8. Appropriate from reliability point of view, it's really reliable. Appropriate in relation to performances, um, and performances in relation to wearing temperature and all of those things. That's really good. But then when it comes to the price, Cisco is always expensive. We need to think about that how we can make it market competitor from price wise, because there are some certain other features like the management these days is going onto the cloud, and lot of other features they are reduced just because of the technology advancement. So I think gradually Cisco needs to think about reducing the prices. So yeah, we have got operation centers. So anything that relates to the incident, we go through all of those features. Analytics provides us quite inside stories, and obviously the features from management point of view, that's also being used quite heavily in my organization. So that's useful. So as I mentioned, we also going towards the cloud management of all of our appliances and devices. We also going in that direction where we would like to maximize the use of Wi-Fi and reduce the wired LAN network. That is actually a big cost for a site establishment. So we're reducing that with the help of the Cisco's 9166, for example, the apps. So this kind of advancement and this kind of features that actually not only reducing the infrastructure cost, but also looking into the FTE or full-time employees. So we using those analytical features that basically allows us to quick fix something which we might use multiple resources to fix it. So I think that these are kind of an advantage that we are taking out. So interestingly, the one which I'm working on, we always prefer to go with the Cisco, and the reason for that is the sensitivity of the environment and reliability need. But again, when it comes to the other features like SD-WAN, we have competitive SD-WAN from the other provider as well. And the reason for that was the traffic segregation is mentioned. So if you go with the Viptela, the Cisco's offered Viptela compared to the some other provider in the SD-WAN world, then Viptela is very expensive. Although it's complex and it's very rigid, but then again, cost is one of the biggest factor. Uh, you getting the capability from Meraki and Viptela are not the same. So yeah, it's a choice in a sense that where is what important. and what is the priority to deliver. I would say it looks after the business objective in a sense that we have a rough environment in some sites. Some sites are, very refined. So it meets the criteria where we don't need to send a truck roll all the time. And as I mentioned, we use quite large amount of redundancies. So where we need a one power supply, we add up another power supply. These are the features that are available in the Cisco's appliances. So that helps in a lot to add more, resilience and rigidity. And availability factor is very high because of that. I would say yes, but I would say that we need to have more thinking about for future. So far, yes, it does. Yes, yes. I think Cisco is market leader from the very beginning, so we got a lot of skills in that area, and it makes us more comfortable in that. Yes, I said in the SD-WAN world, we are using different product, and they are pretty rigid as well. So yeah, we follow the Gartner, and when the Gartner recommends something that been scrutinized properly, and when we get that, so we would say yes, we would recommend some of those as well.